Thank you so much, guys. Again, you have visited my channel. One more time, I want to thanks to you, and I just want to tell you how to use Talkie, Engtalki. Just search on the Google. Then you can go the website. This website, Talkie. Then after you will see another page. And then after you can register your number from there. And then you can book demo classes. Okay, and then after you can use in that way. It is as simple as that, guys. So I just want to tell you one more thing. We are not speaking today well. Tomorrow maybe we will not speak well, but day after tomorrow, definitely we will speak English well. So learn together, enjoy this conversation, and don't forget like, subscribe, and share. Bye bye, guys. Have a good day.
What is your good name, ma'am?
I'm Tanuja.
That's Tanuja. Okay,
Tanuja.
I know that, but I okay. Thank you.
Okay. So, would you want no? Do you want to speak on today's topic or just a casual conversation? What would you prefer?
No problem, ma'am. We can talk about a topic and we can discuss about general conversation also. No problem.
Uh, no,
So
just choose
let me
one.
know. Okay. Okay, we can talk casual talk. We can.
Okay, okay. So,
Yeah, ma'am.
do you want me to correct you after the session?
Yeah, definitely. After the session and between the conversation, you can correct me, ma'am, if I make mistake. So you can
Okay,
rectify my mistake between or in the end of the conversation, you can give me feedback. No problem, ma'am. Yeah.
okay, fine. So, where are you from?
I am from Jamshedpur, ma'am. I think you
Jamshedpur.
have heard it.
Yeah,
Jharkhand.
I've heard
Have
it.
you heard it?
I've never been there.
You have never been there, ma'am. Why, ma'am?
And it's Corona and all. We are all trapped here.
Okay. And
Okay.
where are you from, ma'am?
I'm from Kerala.
You are from Kerala. Okay.
So, what are you doing? Are you studying or working?
I'm doing job, ma'am. These days I'm doing job, and
Which job?
yeah, and as well as I'm learning English language.
All right. So, why do you want to learn English?
Actually, I want to learn English language because since childhood I wanted to learn English language, but in childhood, in that time, there was no environment. So that's why, ma'am, I
All
want to
right.
learn English.
No, it's never too late.
In,
Okay.
yeah, since childhood, actually, in that time, there was no environment. And my friend people, my friend and my colleagues and my family, they all are speak Hindi. They
Okay.
used to speak English, Hindi, and so that's why I think, yeah, ma'am.
All right. So, tell me about your family.
In my family, there's a 17 member. I belong to joint family.
17.
Yeah, 17 member.
Okay.
Yeah, and
All right.
I have six brothers. Yeah, ma'am.
6 brothers.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When
Uh,
it's plural, you should use S. Okay. Brothers, sisters.
yeah, yeah. I have six brothers,
Hmm.
and I don't have sister.
Okay. And are you the youngest or the middle or
I'm
eldest one?
younger. I'm younger, ma'am.
Youngest. Okay. So tell me more about your family.
Uh, okay. So in my family, uh, I like in my family. There's I think six nephew. I have six nephew. Okay, her
Okay.
name is uh, my nephew's name is Asifa, Sadman, Adiba, Aira, and Hassan. Yeah,
Okay.
and Alpha. Yeah, it is
All
my
right.
nephew. Yes, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
No, I just have an elder sister. That's it. They
Oh,
have
that's
a
great, ma'am.
nuclear family.
Okay, nice.
Okay.
Okay. So these days, ma'am, have you been watching any movie or any web series?
Yeah, I've been watching movies. Let's talk about you right now. So, which your favorite movie that you recently watched?
Recently, I have watched one movie, Squid Game. I think you must have
Yeah,
watched it.
on
Have
Netflix.
you watched it?
No, I
Yeah.
haven't watched it. Okay.
Okay.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I liked that movie.
Why? May I know why?
Because of I think in that movie there's a very action scene or some suspense in that movie.
Okay.
So that's why I like. Yeah.
All right. So, no, any other thing you are interested in other than movies? Do you read?
In Yeah, no, I don't like read, but I wanted to read, man. But actually, because of my learning English language, actually, if I read, so definitely I will better learn. But
Okay.
when I read, na man, so my uh, I feel bored when I 15 minute only and 10 minute only I read. Means once a
Okay.
week only, you can say, not regular, but I wanted to regular this in uh, do this thing, but I don't uh,
Okay.
I'm not able
Okay.
to do that because I feel bored. Yeah.
Yeah. For that, you can, start reading by, the popular fictions like the works of Chetan Bhagat or Ravinder Singh or people like that. No, it
Yeah.
will be easy and engaging, and you can improve your language as well. It won't be
Yes.
difficult like other authors. Okay, you can
Yes, ma'am.
try them.
I have, ma'am, I have Chetan Bhagat one book. That book name is Half Girlfriend. Yeah.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
have you read
So do you
that?
like book? I have two times, ma'am. I have read that book two times.
Okay, yeah, I
Yeah.
do read. I do read a lot.
Okay, nice.
Okay,
And what about your hobby, ma'am?
yeah, reading, traveling, and all. So,
Okay.
what are your hobbies?
I like play cricket. My hobby is
Okay,
cricket, you can say, and I watch cricket and I play cricket. Yeah. And these days, I think I my hobby is learning English language. Yeah.
okay. So, who's your favorite cricketer?
My favorite cricketer is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Yeah, there's no doubt.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
man.
So, it's your favorite IPL team?
I think Kolkata Knight Rider.
Why? Dhoni fan and not being following CSK?
Yeah, because of I think Jamshedpur is near to the Kolkata, so that's why I think.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah.
So
So
tell
what about
me
you,
some.
ma'am? Which was your favorite team on IPL? Yeah, in IPL.
CSK.
Sorry. Yeah. Okay,
CSK.
CSK.
Yeah.
Okay. And I think your favorite cricketer is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. There's no doubt.
No, my favorite is Reina.
Oh, Raina. Okay,
Yeah,
nice.
okay. So they came as a combo, so I like them both.
Okay, so recently World Cup had passed. So
Mm.
have you been watching? Had you watched that
Have you?
World
Have
Cup?
you?
Yeah,
Have you?
had
It's
you.
have you. No,
Okay,
I
have you.
haven't. Okay. I haven't watched it because I had some other things to do. So yeah.
Okay.
So tell me
Mhm.
your most favorite actress. Who is it?
Actor. My favorite actor is Salman Khan.
Actress. Heroine.
Actress. So, okay. My favorite actress is Deepika Padukone. Yeah.
Okay. So, which is your favorite movie of Deepika Padukone?
Om Shanti Om.
Om Shanti Om. So,
Yes.
okay. Narrate the story of Om Shanti Om. Just try.
Uh, okay. In Om Shanti Om, in that movie has seen in that movie there's a two one famous actor that actor name is Shahrukh Khan and Deepika Padukone. Both are hero and heroine. Both are actor and actress. Okay, and in that movie, I think I have forgotten, man. Sorry, means about that story.
Okay, fine.
So
You can narrate any other story that you remember, or any
which
incidents that happened in your childhood. Anything.
okay, okay in childhood. Okay, in childhood, one incident happened. Okay, if ma'am, if I will make mistakes, please rectify. Okay, ma'am. Actually,
Oh, yeah,
it
sure.
is my
I'm
past.
here to help you.
It is my yeah. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. So I think when I was 4 and 5 year old, so I
Mm,
went to the park with my parents. Okay, ma'am.
okay.
So in the park, there's a lots of uh, uh, there was a very what we call lots of people go there. Okay, because of third March. Okay,
Because
so
of?
because of third March in Jamshedpur, there's a park was decorated because of
Okay.
Nasarwanji Tata, his
Okay.
birthday on the 3rd March. Okay,
All
so
right.
we went to the park on 3rd March. Okay,
Mm,
there's a too much gather. Okay, crowd. Sorry, there's crowded.
crowd.
Okay, there's
Crowd.
crowded. So yeah, crowd.
It's
I
crowd.
went.
Crowd.
Okay, it was crowd there.
Okay.
Okay,
Go on. Go on.
so and me and my parents, we were there, and
Mm,
they were talking each other. Okay, and uh, I was going to the another children. They were playing from their side. Okay,
okay.
so I went with them, and I had to play with them. Okay,
Okay.
and then
Make it
after
short.
uh,
We don't have much time.
okay,
Okay. Make
but
it short.
it's okay. So actually, I had play with them, and then
Mm,
after while playing, when after I have seen my parents, so
mm.
they didn't see. Okay,
Mm.
so then I had started to searching with them.
Searching your parents.
Yes, but
Yeah, you went missing.
he yes, but unfortunately,
Mm.
he didn't. Uh, he didn't there. Okay, I have searched with him with them, but I couldn't find with them. So
Okay.
then after uh, my I started crying, and people were asking to me, why you
Mm.
crying? So then I asked to them, because my parents, they have disappeared, so that's why I cried.
Okay.
So then after I went to the parking lot, and there was a scooter. So I recognized my scooter. Then after I went there and I sat down, and then my parents, after some time, uh, they came. And then after we met each other.
Okay.
It is.
That's nice. So let me correct you. So first thing is that you said you have nephew, but
Yeah.
they are both boys and girls, right?
Yes.
So for boys you say nephew, and for girls you say niece.
Okay.
Niece. Okay. And another thing is you should use uh, you know um, S for plurals like brothers, sisters, uncles, aunts, etc. And you should uh, concentrate more on your um, pronunciations. For example, it's not crowd, it's crowd. Crowd,
Okay.
crowded. Okay.
Okay.
CROW is crow, but CROWD is crowd. Okay. There are some certain differences like that. Okay. You have to focus on that. Okay.
Okay.
So it's already time now. So
Okay,
it's
man.
nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too, man. We will meet soon. Bye bye. Take care, yourself, man. Have a good night.
Okay, bye. Good night.